Today we will learn something about birds and their homes. The environment in which an animal lives must provide water, food, shelter, and space. Its home must also make the animal feel protected from predators, harsh weathers, and other threats. Animal homes comes in a variety of shapes and size and can be found from the deepest depth of the ocean to the very top of the mountain. Some animals' homes are easy to see, while others are camouflaged to protect them from predators. The structure of an animal's home depends on the type of animal, the environment it lives in, and what it needs to survive. Some homes are for just one animal or for a mother and her babies. Other homes are for a large group of animals to all live together. Animal homes serve a variety of purposes. Many animals design their homes to trap heat in and keep the cold out, especially when babies live in the home. Since babies animals cannot keep themselves warm like their parents can. Nests, dens, and burrows are the example of this type of home. Most bird nests lies somewhere in the middle, with the majority building cup-shaped nests using some combination of mud, twigs and leaves and feathers. Some birds, such flamingos and swifts, use saliva to help hold their nest together. The edible nest swiftlet uses saliva along to construct their nests. Now the different types of nests and homes of birds. First is the ground nest. Ground bees become active in early spring and hardly sting. These bees dig nests in the ground, often in bare patches of the lawn or garden. If you find mounds of soil similar to ant hills but with larger openings, this may be ground bee nests. Now some birds which make ground nests. So these are the birds which make their nest as a ground nest. Next is the cup nest. Its name tells you that a cup nest is shaped like a cup or bowl. Many songbirds build cup nests. These nests can be built in the branches of a tree, like in the crack where one branch joins another. However, some can simply stick the nest right onto the branch of the tree. Now some examples of cup nest birds. So these are the birds which makes cup nests. Adherent nests. Adherent nests adhere, that is to stick to buildings, trees, cliffs and other vertical structures. Swallow can build an almost perfectly round nest out of mud. Some species make cup-shaped nests while others make jug-like nests with little holes in the sides. So these are the birds which makes adherent nests. Next is platform nests. Platform nests are large, flat nests built in the trees, on the ground, on the tops of the vegetation, or even on debris in shallow water. Many platform nests are refused year after year by the same birds, with additional material added to the nest with each use. So these are the birds which make platform nests. Next is earth hole nest. Earth hole nests are nests that are inside the earth, They are burrow on the ground or in the inside of the cliff. They like using abundant rabbit holes too. These are the birds which make earth hole nests. Next is cave nests. A cave swallow works on its nest in a cave in Santiago de Cuba, that's in Cuba. These birds are colonial and place their nest on a vertical wall, usually in the twilight zone of a cave or sinkhole. They make their flattened cup nests of mud plattles, sometimes with sides extending up and enclosing the bowl. So these are the birds which make their cave nests. Next is cavity nest. Cavity nests are chambers found most often in trees, living on dead that certain birds will use to raise their chicks. Only a few bird species such as woodpeckers, nuthatches, and barbets are capable of excavating this own cavity nest. These birds are considered primary cavity nesters. So these are the examples of cavity nests. Pendant nest. Pendant nests are elaborately woven that dangle from branches, giving birds in the nest great protection from predators. Some are not suspended very far from the branches, while others may hang several feet below their attachment point. Birds enter the nest through an entrance on the side. So these are the examples of pendant nests. Mound nest. Like burrow nest, mound nest serves the double purpose of protecting a bird's egg from predators and keeping them warm in volatile weather. Mound nests are often made from mud, branches, sticks, twigs, and leaves. Just as compost pile heats up when organic material begins to decay, the dead mass in a mound nest will rot and give off precious heat to incubate the chicks. So these are the examples of mound nest. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you got all the information regarding the birds and their homes. Thank you.